Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna tint a BMW 535i, and I'm gonna show you how to take the back seals off the back part of the window. The front is a little difficult, but it can come off. That's just simple. Okay. So I'm gonna let the window down, and we're gonna take the seal out, and we're gonna drop the film in there. Okay. So the easiest way to do it is to grab this part, not this part. You can grab this part, go behind it. No, right here, go behind it. Okay. Okay. There we go. So I popped that off. I guess we do have to start from this end. So I popped this end off a little bit here to bring it down, and then I went up under that because I didn't want to pull it too hard and break this. I didn't want to break this, so I started from right here, pulled it back a little bit right here, and then now I can get behind it and take it right off. Then it'll be easy to go back on too. Just pause it. And then pause. That's scratchy on this one though, but they outside. This one black one using the blade. Some of these ones is real tricky. Tell me to scratch it on. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that's the bottom drop, y'all. It's better than doing the two-step. I like the bottom drop. Go up, get that water out. Go down, get that water out. Lock it in. Go. Now go up. Hold it out the way. That's it. Okay, so now I can go, we can demonstrate now. Okay, so let me start